Now we'll start with the new topic, lesson number 3, arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, you have to study sequence, arithmetic progressions, nth term of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP. Now see, we'll start with the sequence. Now we write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in an order. In this order, we can tell the position of any number. For example, the number 13th is at 13th position. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 are also written in a particular order. Here 16 is equal to 4 raised to 2 is at 4th position. Similarly, 25 is equal to 5 raised to 2 is at 5th position. 49 is equal to 7 raised to 2 is at 7th position. In this set of the numbers, all place of each number is determined. Now see, a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers is called a sequence. What? A set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers is called a sequence. In a sequence, a particular number is written at a particular position. If the numbers are written as A1, A2, A3, A4, then A1 is the first term, A2 is the second, and so on. It is clear that An is at the nth place. A sequence of the numbers is also represented by alphabets F1, F2, F3, and we find that there is a definite order in which numbers are arranged. Now, when students stand in a row for a drill on the playground, they form a sequence. Now, here see the pattern is given. Pattern 1 circle, 3 circles, 5 circles, and 7 circles. So, number of circles are given here 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, see. Next pattern is of triangles. Number of triangles is 5. Next is 8 and 11 and so on. So here this pattern has followed. Okay, now some examples see. 4, 8, 12, 16. Second 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 and so on. This is 1 upon 5, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 20. These are the some examples of sequence. Now how the terms are in a sequence? See, the terms in a sequence are ordered or are represented as T1, T2, T3 and up to Tn. In general sequence is written as Tn. If the sequence is infinite, for every positive integer there is term Tn. Now here some activities are given. See. Now these examples are given. The first one is solved. Now second one is see. Here T1 is 7, T2 is 7, T3 is 7. In third example, here T2 is minus 2, T2 is minus 6 and T3 is minus 10 and so on. So here second example, second activity is also given. See. So these terms follow some particular sequence. Now here some arrangement of the numbers are given. See. So we have to study this pattern of the arrangements. So in the first example, see, the first number and you have to add the 3 to it, and second you have to add 3 to it. Means in this sequence you have each previous term you have to add the 3 into it. We will get the next number. Now here 10 plus 3 will be 13 and 13 plus 3 will be 16. Okay, in second examples you have to add the first term and 6 to it. Means 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24 and 24 plus 6 will be 32. 32 plus 6 will be 30 plus 6 will be 36. Okay, and so on. Now here the pattern is what? 3 into it 0 is added. So these all terms will be 3 here, and here it will be 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Now same way in the fourth example, see what is done. To the first term you have to multiply by 4, second also you have to multiply by 4, next third term also you have to multiply by 4. So this sequence will go on. Same way in the fifth example, you have to multiply first term and 0.5. In the second also first term and 0.5. In this sequence is same. And in sixth example, see how it is given. It is 1 cube, 2 cube and 3 cubes. Here in this 1, 2, 3 and 5. The similarity is that the next term is obtained by adding a particular number to the previous number. Each of these sequence is called arithmetic progression. Okay, so here what we have to do it, first term and a particular number you have to adding a particular number to the previous number. Each of these sequence is called an arithmetic progression. In fourth example is not an arithmetic progression. In this sequence that is obtained by multiplying the previous term by a particular number. So this type of sequence is called the geometric progression. Okay, and in sixth example is neither arithmetic progression nor geometric progression. So now in this year we are going to study arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progressions, some sequence are given below. For every sequence, write the next 3 terms. Now see, these examples you write in the notebook. These 3 examples write, and after that this write down. From here, this you write down in the notebook. And the next you have to write these solved examples from page number 59, 60 and 61. These solved examples you have to write it in the notebook. In the next lecture we will start with the exercise 3.1.